How long and dreary is the night, by Robert Burns. How long and dreary is the night when I am free, my dearie, I sleepless lie fainty morn, though I were ne'er sae weary, I sleepless lie fainty morn, though I were ne'er sae weary. When I think on the happy days spent with you, my dearie, and now what lands between us lie, how can I be but dearie? And now what lands between us lie, how can I be but dearie? How slow ye move, ye heavy oars, as ye were way and weary, it wasna sae glinted by when I was with my dearie, it wasna sae glinted by when I was with my dearie. That song was submitted by Robert Burns to the Scots Musical Museum. It's called with the tune A Galick Air, and there's no other source for the tune that we know of. Burns rewrote the song to another tune, which his second publisher wanted to print. It was really a rather dreadful rewrite, which I will spare you. But he wrote to George Thompson on 1794, "How long and dreary is the night. I met with some such words in a collection of songs somewhere, which I altered and enlarged." So he got the kernel of this from a book of poems. But I'm pretty sure this last verse is Burns. How slow ye move, ye heavy hours, as ye were way and weary, as if you were sad and weary. It wasn't sae ye glinted by, it wasn't so ye glinted by when I was with my dearie. It's very like Burns to address different parts of the universe. A mouse, a louse, the sun, the light. In Macpherson's Farewell, he addresses now farewell light. My goodness. So anyway, that's the sang. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. I've got a playlist called Songs of Robert Burns, and I'm putting up as many as I can, with the exception of the lousy rewrites for George Thompson. You will.